guys, this is Rima here. I've got my listing live going for sale today here in Leander, located in a highly desirable community called Palmera Ridge. This is the perfect opportunity to own this brand new built 2-story home with lots of interior space on a huge fully landscaped home site. So if anybody's interested on this beautiful home, please reach out to me, as I don't know if it's gonna last because it's got a huge massive backyard. But like that being said, let's go ahead and check this beautiful house. Beautiful home for sale right here in Leander in a master plan community called the Palmera Ridge. You can see the outside, there's no home in front. Okay, let's go ahead and go check this out. This obviously you can see is a 3-car garage. 2-story home, 3 bedrooms downstairs, 2 upstairs. You got a study. Open floor plan with a master suite and plus 2 additional bedrooms downstairs. Also, you have an office space downstairs. Bedroom right here. Nice walk-in closet. Going to the second bedroom right here on the first floor. A beautiful walk-in closet. Palmera Ridge, guys, is a gorgeous new 426-acre master plan community in growing city of Leander in the northwest Austin. Pantry. I'll show you guys this amazing backyard, which you cannot find it at this time with a lot of builders. And you have a nice size back porch with a fireplace. But look at this backyard. You can add a pool, you can do whatever you want with it because it's so massive. Even you've got plenty of the side yard space. This is just beautiful, guys. I can't express it enough how important it is to have this big backyard. You will see the upstairs features 2 additional bedrooms plus a large open game room, perfect for movie nights. So game room upstairs. Another bedroom over here. It's a walk-in closet. Linen. And another full bathroom. You can see several upgrades in this house. Beautifully designed. Brand new home. And this one has also a beautiful walk-in closet. All the bedrooms have walk-in closet. Master has a gigantic walk-in closet. Lots of storage, lots of space for family to come and enjoy, entertain, grow into this beautiful house. And here you also have an attic access. Look at that space. Study. Nicely lit. Master bedroom. Freestanding tub with double. And a beautiful grand closet. Walk-in closet.